This is the Defender hardtop of dreams, an irrepeatable opportunity to get yourself an incredible vehicle. Defender Hardtop X. Now the X model, I think this is the only one for sale in the UK. It's a D300, that's a 3-litre diesel, 300 brake horsepower, commercial hardtop Defender. Now this vehicle is a 23 plate, it's done 19,000 miles. It also has 5-seater and is VAT qualifying, the price is plus VAT. For the X model, it's very, very rare. That's a fully loaded version of this car. It's then got the external modifications, the 22-inch wheels, the snorkel, the roof ladder, the roof rack, the ladder, the box. Everything about this car is really, really wow. It's Carpathian grey with full black pack, and it has the painted black two-tone bonnet. But really for me, as a commercial goes, it's very, very special indeed. It's done 19,000 miles on a 23. It's just been serviced at Land Rover at 17,000 miles. But then look at this. It has an interior conversion done by a company called Sterling, which cost about £6,000 to £7,000. Look at the inside. It's got 5 seats, it's got air suspension, it's got deployable tow bar. It has every factory option. Plus, it's got a switchable Quicksilver Sport exhaust. It sounds incredible, and it's got an Auidson Subwoofer. The stereo in this is out of this world. It is a one-off car, irrepeatable for us and irrepeatable to find anywhere else in the market, in an outstanding condition. Like I say, just serviced. And it's got this, a Quicksilver exhaust. Now, this car is thunderous. It's a diesel, it's a 3-litre diesel. It sounds thunderous, even just on idle. Difficult to pick out on the video. It's very, very special. So that's that bit done. If we talk about the exterior styling first, then we'll go on the interior and tell you what this car's got. Thousands and thousands of pounds worth of options. Starting from the rear spoiler to the arch extensions to the 22-inch wheels. We've then got the side ladders and the roof rack. Well, I call it a snorkel, but gloss black air intake, mud flaps, steps. It really is phenomenal. The X model giving you the orange brake calipers to the front from factory. The wheels are all in a perfect condition with all-terrain tyres. Then we've got the full black styling package, so the undersection, the midsection, the badging and the centre bonnet all done in gloss black. It is an unbelievable car. The rarity is that X model, so you'll see here, a lot of these cars, well, you'll see an HSE in a commercial, but very, very rarely do you find the X. We've got the carry box to this side. It looks so, so good with the black roof. And then if you come around the rear, we've got the towing hooks in orange, which you get with the X. And then in the back, this exhaust is fantastic. It sounds so good. Air suspension, switchable here, deployable tow bar, and that Auidson stereo system. So not the system, it's a Meridian sound, but you've got the subwoofer, which makes the stereo sound unbelievable. We've then got a 3-pin plug socket, which again is another option. Very, very useful indeed. And then the good bit for me, this is a 5-seat hardtop Defender, which is really useful, of course. But look at it inside. So we go into the door first. We have this wonderful finish with almost like the British flag, all embossed. Lovely red leather. The seats are magnificent, aren't they? And this is the big thing, done by Sterling. You also got the rear seats done as well, if you want to have a little look in there, Tom. It's a one-off, it's irrepeatable. You would never find it anywhere else. There's so much to go through on the interior specs. We've got full electric seats, Meridian sound, memory seats for driver and passenger. We've then got your electric steering assist, or steering column assist, sorry, so I can use this electrically to move the steering wheel. We've got the dark cross beams, that's the dark dashboard. We've got head-up display. The dashboard's also been done in the red leather. Heated wheel, adaptive cruise, lane assist. We've then got 11.4-inch touchscreen, air suspension, ventilated seats to the front, 360 camera. Oh, it's got a Ghost Immobiliser as well, there you go. 360 camera, including the towing camera for your tow bar. 2 keys, Ghost Immobiliser for security purposes. We've then got this, which is the clear sight camera system. It really is an unbelievable car. Whether you're going to use it as a commercial vehicle or just as a normal vehicle, it is really, really special. Carpathian grey, 23 plates, so still under Land Rover warranties, just being serviced at Land Rover as well. Find me another because you won't. So if you're interested, simple and easy buying process. My name's Richard, my number's on the screen. If you want to buy this car, please call me your earliest convenience. Thanks for watching.